Hello, muggles. Welcome to the platform 9 3/4. I'm here at the annual Hilton Staff Appreciation Party, Team Member Party, and it's here at the Sheraton Laguna Resort. I love working the parties with the Hilton HR department, Christy over there. Every year they come up with something really creative, and this year did not disappoint. It is a Harry Potter themed appreciation party for the employees, and I did a lot of the lighting effects. I'm going to take you in to see what we did in a moment. Appropriately, we're here at the entrance of the stairway, and of course everybody knows what 9 3/4 means. It's the entry to get to the Hogwarts Express. Without further ado, I'm going to take you in, but first I have to cast my spell. Ready? Lumos Maxima. Here we are in the main ballroom, and the inspiration was the Hogwarts Great Hall in the movies. As you can see, I also programmed flying silhouettes of Quidditch players flying all around. And here is the centerpiece, the floating candles that we all know from the movies, projected onto the ceilings to give that same magical effect. Now, also something really cool, it was our floor-to-ceiling projection of the Hogwarts crest. That functioned as our centerpiece backdrop for the event space. And I really like this crest because it features all the colors of the different houses. And so it ties in also with the different colors that we used with the uplighting throughout the room. Here at the entry was a real cool tablescape, and I really liked it because it had a custom-made fondant Harry Potter cake and of course cupcake treats, but this whole thing was decorated by the Hilton staff. You could see a box display of magical wands there. Of course, I had to light it up just to give it that extra bit of dimension and fun, but I'm really impressed with how the Hilton staff always brings it every year. Here we have a wide shot of the Hogwarts castle that I cast in a purple light just to add that little bit of dimension, really popular with the guests. Oh, hello there.
Hello.
Who are you, Hermione Granger? It's the Gryffindor family.
Yes, Team Gryffindor.
Hello, Slytherin girl. This is my Gryffindor brother right here. Yeah, why did you marry a snake?
I'm a nice.
She's a nice one. Well, watch out, watch out. You never know. Wait. Wanna fight later? Fisher. Oh. Slytherin. Hey, look, there's another Slytherin. How come all the management is Slytherin? Hilton. It's supposed to be Gryffindor. How come all of Hilton management is Slytherin? I'm Gryffindor, Slytherin. Let's take a closer look now at the decor of the room. It was handled all by Paul and the team at the Hilton. They had these centerpieces that glowed with different LED colors and candles that were in wine bottles with the wax melted all over them just to give that kind of spooky feel. And then they had these wispy, creepy tree branches also on the tables. And you can see they even made giant golden snitches over there on the stage, complete with wings and all. One of the favorite things I also enjoyed was they had the banners for each of the houses of Hogwarts. And right up front, they mimicked how the Great Hall of Hogwarts looks with the long tables like in the movies. And you can see they did that there right in front, just to make it look like it really was the Great Hall of Hogwarts. That's a wrap. Okay, Paco, it's the end of the night. You gotta do the spell to make the stuff float so that we don't have to carry it out.
I got you.
Ready?
Wingardium Leviosa.
Say it again.
Wingardium Leviosa.
It's not working. Because it's Leviosa, not Leviosa.
I'm sorry, Mike. I didn't know that.
Now do it right.
Wingardium Leviosa.
Like you mean it. Wingardium Leviosa.
Wait, Leviosa. Leviosa?
Not Leviosa. Leviosa.
Wingardium Leviosa.
And just like that, the Sheraton goes back to its normal self. Hogwarts has disappeared. The party's over. But hey, you know what? Let's just relive the magic one more time. Once again, a shout out to all of Team Hilton, especially Miss Chrissy Cruz over in HR. It's always a pleasure working with you and planning these fun parties. And of course, who could forget PJ? PJ Ofala, thank you so much. You're so creative. Always love your decor. And I managed to get a whole new magic wand out of this experience. Thanks, Christy, for that gift. I'm a Harry Potter fan, man. Of course, through and through. Gryffindor! Gryffindor rules! Good night, Professor Dumbledore. We must bid you farewell. Hey guys, if you like this vlog, please be sure to like and share it. And if it tickles your fancy, please subscribe to my channel, MK671 TV, and be sure to hit that bell notification so you could be informed about future content on this channel.